COVID-19 has now killed 500,000 worldwide, with that number expected to increase to over 1.5 million by October. The question is, how did we get here?
Well, getting back to normal is not as easy as just flipping a switch. The matter of the fact is that as long as this virus persists, the norms of our daily lives will be different.
To reasonably predict how the COVID-19 pandemic progresses, we need to understand a number called R-Naught.
This is the R-Naught mathematical formula, which is composed of the rate of transmittability, the rate of contact, and the duration of infection. R-Naught represents the number of new infections generated by each person. For COVID-19 in the United States, the R-Naught value is 2.6, meaning that for every person infected, 2.6 others are also infected. R-Naught value is composed of three separate groups. First, the number of people who are infected. Second, the number of people who are susceptible to a virus. And third, the number of people who have recovered from a virus.
There are three possible R-Naught values. When R-Naught is less than 1, that means the number of new cases will decrease over time. When R-Naught is near 1, that means the case number is stable over time. And when R-Naught is significantly over 1, that means the outbreak is self-sustaining and will be increasing over time.
Let's put this into context and look at some of the different R-Naught values for different diseases. The R-Naught value for COVID-19 is 2.2 to 2.6, compared to 1.2 for the seasonal flu, meaning that COVID-19 is far more contagious than the flu and far more deadly than the 0.1% death rate the flu has. Along with that, COVID-19 is more contagious than both Ebola and the 1918 influenza outbreak. Now, taking into account the 2.6 R-Naught value of COVID-19, we can really see how fast the pandemic can spread on this NetLogo model that I coded. Our response to this pandemic depends on a few factors. The main one, however, is social distancing. Our ability to keep 6 feet apart, isolate cases, and be able to avoid travel and mass gatherings is essential in preventing the spread of the coronavirus. Following social distancing and other guidelines are essential in keeping the R-Naught value near 1 and will be critical in controlling the spread and saving lives.